Wallambayua, Yadagagu, Darkinung Nura. Welcome to Darkinjung country. Darkinjung country is bound by the Hawkesbury River, Lake Awabba to our north, the Wadigan Mountains to our west, and the Pacific Ocean or Garawa to our east. We've all come to call this place home.
Acknowledgement is our ceremony, a cultural practice dating back for over 60,000 years. It speaks to our intention to tread lightly on country, to cause no harm, and to be respectful. We acknowledge the Darkinjung people, those ancestors who've walked this country, leaving their footprints within the soils, seas and waterways. Operating as caretakers of country, shared through song, dance, story and art, passed down through generations, and now onwards into the future.
We are the largest Aboriginal population by LGA in New South Wales, and we also have a very young population with half of our community being aged under 24.
Today, the Darkinjung community is made up of many Aboriginal people from around New South Wales and Australia who are drawn to this incredibly beautiful landscape rich in sights, culture and biodiversity.
Barang in Darkinjung language means tomorrow. We are a regional governance representative body for our community, an alliance of Aboriginal community controlled organisations, leaders and elders, Aboriginal-owned local businesses and other groups that work within our community.
Our organisation was built out of a clear and urgent need. The leaders in our region have come together, and it is through their wisdom that we've built a legacy to create change for future generations.
Because we are located between Sydney and Newcastle, we are often overlooked and unrecognised. Barang provides a unified voice, calling for appropriate investment relative to the needs of our community.
We are the reference point between our community and government. Through our regional development agenda, we connect the dots between our community and their needs, our Aboriginal organisations and how they meet their needs, and the data to support our community's voices.
Barang directs investment to escalate the voices of our youth. Our leadership programs are directed by young people, for young people, supporting cultural connection. Through increased development, growth and economic opportunity for our future leaders of tomorrow, we are ensuring transition planning is embedded.
Through youth-led planning, we create pathways through innovation and leadership development.
Co-designing within government service systems, ensuring that investment decisions are tailored to the unique needs of our region and are fully accountable.
We are allowing people to feel empowered with sustainable pathways, economic independence and systemic reform.
And we support our Gudja gang, our children, starting with the Connected Beginnings program that prioritises each child's development and the needs of their parents for the first 2,000 days of their life.
Eleanor Duncan Aboriginal Services delivers 52 programs and services to the Aboriginal community on Darkinjung country. It's delivered through our unique transdisciplinary model of care. We are proud to be a part of Barang Regional Alliance because it gives us a collective voice to advocate for the largest Aboriginal community in New South Wales and use this to influence policy, programs, relationships and regional investment.
Gudjagang Narala-dee means listen to the children in Darkinjung language. We're an early intervention service and community hub, which gives our families, young people and children a culturally safe space where they can just turn up, connect and receive supports. Support that empowers our families and young people to make decisions that lead to self-determination through being involved in local community events where we all work together, like Aboriginal Children's Day or NAIDOC. We can all pool our resources. This means that we have greater participation, giving us the space to focus on what we do best, wrapping our arms around our children and community and uplifting them.
The Glen operates safe and supportive residential rehabilitation services, using a cultural framework for people living with addiction. We've been operating for 30 years. By being a member of the Alliance, we're able to understand what the community really needs.
NAISDA is the birthplace of Australian contemporary Indigenous dance. For many years, NAISDA has been training the young, creative leaders of tomorrow through dance and culture. Since inception, Barang has done an amazing job on Darkinjung country. They have brought a unified voice, a powerful voice for all of the First Nations Aboriginal organisations, and that was its main mantra in the beginning, and it has achieved that spectacularly. One of Barang's first mandates was to bring the youth of the Central Coast together. They have achieved this through the Youth Empowerment Summits, and that has gone from strength to strength, bringing together the youth of the Central Coast from Darkinjung country to be a unified voice and our leaders of tomorrow.
Mindaletta is a community hub. We look after the community on the peninsula. We're here for our Aboriginal families and people. The population here is growing and we have over 500 different members and we have so many services that we do need support. Barang is important because we all work together. For a small organisation, Barang gives us a big voice.
Darkinung Local Aboriginal Lands Council operates as a legislative cultural authority to manage and protect our culture and heritage. Darkinung Local Aboriginal Land Council cares, protects and manages land, sea and waterways. We protect our sites and we foster development to create sustainable economic opportunities and advantage for all our community. Being a part of the Alliance helps us support our community to reach economic prosperity.
Are Barang leads programs that build education and training opportunities for our young Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Not just get jobs, but to pave a career where they can thrive.
For Are Barang, the Alliance allows the opportunity to both walk and work together to build a greater regional voice. The Alliance provides an avenue to better connect and to amplify the voice of community and ensure that every investment dollar is well spent.
Yamara is a sovereign autonomous collective made up of 35 plus First Nations professionals. We're really centred around the work of trauma and recovery. Being a part of the Barang Regional Alliance is essential for Yamara, and by working together we can tackle the common challenges that we face as a community.
For over 40 years, Walatuka has been a leader in Aboriginal higher education, nurturing the cultural aspirations of our First Nations students on Darkinung country.
As part of the University of Newcastle, we are committed to empowering our people to lead the change we need to see. For Walatuka, the community organisation partners who make up Barang are critical to ensuring that our teaching, research and engagement helps us meet that goal.
The Alliance allows us to all work together to make a stronger region, increase access to provide a better platform for our Indigenous students.
The Central Coast Community Legal Centre provides free legal help to people in our community on the phone, in person, at outreach and at our courts.
The legal system is complex and it's easy to get lost trying to navigate it. Being an associate member of Barang connects us with the local Aboriginal community and looks to improve legal outcomes.
Barang helped us to successfully lobby for an Aboriginal community worker to support our families and our community.
GARA was established in 2023. We work with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander families on the southern end of our region. Being part of Barang helps us understand what's working and where the gaps are.
Barang speaks with one voice to all our organisations, our leaders, our elders and our communities.
The strength in listening, the strength in collaboration and also just being able to talk amongst ourselves. This is the reason why Barang Regional Alliance was formed, and it's an opportunity for us to come together to voice our concerns and to move this community forward.
We are experts of our own lives, and when we work together, we become stronger, we become healthier, we become wealthier as a community.
We are Barang.
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 We are Barang.